and welcome to Baking with Besties with Alyssa,
Isabella,
Ava,
and Evelyn.
Today we're going to be making mini cake bites that are red velvet flavor with strawberry icing. So let's get into it.
First, I need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
1, 2.
Next, need 3/4 a cup of softened butter, unsalted.
Here we go. 1,
2.
2.
And then now we're gonna add 2/3 a cup of olive oil. 7 eggs. 1 and 7 eggs.
We just added 1 7/8 cup of sugar to this bowl with 3/4 a cup of butter and 2/3 a cup of oil.
And so next, we're gonna mix it together.
Let's do that.
So now we're gonna add 6 eggs. I'm cracking the first 3. She's cracking the other 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, that's 6. 1, 2, 3.
I'll
go after 6.
Yes.
Yeah, 6.
Okay, so what we're gonna add next is 5.5 cups or 5 cups of flour and 1/3. Yeah, and 1/3. 1.
So that's 1,
2, 3.
I made
4.
cookies at like 3.
This is we barely have enough flour for
5.
everything.
No, see that word.
1. That's 1.
2. Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna mix it.
Yeah.
I want to mix it.
Okay, fine. We'll
now
do that.
we mix it. Catons now. So we're gonna pour it in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Once you know what my love's gonna feel like, nothing else will feel.
Now we can add the frosting. So in the end, this is how it all turned out.
That was Baking with Besties with Evelyn, Ava, and Isa and Alyssa. Hope you enjoyed our film. Stay tuned. We have a little animation for you with credits and everything. So that'll be nice. So I guess this is time to say goodbye. Hello, and welcome to Baking with Besties with Alyssa
Evelyn?
And Ava. And
Wait,
where's this up?
Come on. Where'd she go?
Is that fire?
Your chocolate chips? That's mine!
Hey, excuse me, I bought them. They're mine.
Hi, welcome to Baking with Besties with Alyssa,
Isabella.
Ava, and Evelyn. Today we'll be making a red velvet cake with strawberry icing.
Friend style.
That's gonna be a blooper, Ava.